Ready?
Set.
Go.
Sausage and peppers are a match made in heaven.
Yes, they are.
And today we're making a vegan version. Keep watching.
Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie. And welcome to Pizza with Plants.
You know what we're making today?
Sausage and peppers.
That is right.
On a pizza.
On a pizza. I have been looking forward to this because it's a guilty pleasure of mine, but we're going to be using
Our Beyond sausage.
Beyond sausage. They're hot Italian, which we don't eat this a ton, but they're really good. They're so good. So we're making a pizza today with that. We're going to just grill them really quick.
Yep. And then slice them.
And then what are we doing?
Because whole links would be kind of silly.
Yeah, that'd be like one big
That's the
bite.
way you would like it, because you like it loaded.
Yes,
anyway.
Agreed.
Okay.
And then we're going to pair that with we'll be using Viola Life shredded mozzarella today. And then for the base, we're going to be making it's a new pesto. It's a pesto alla calabrese from the Calabria region, southern Italy, right at the boot. And it's super yummy. The base of it is red peppers and then a wonderful mix of ricotta and parmesan, sun-dried tomatoes, toasted pine nuts, slivered almonds, and some Calabrian chili paste that we get at Whole Paycheck.
It's going to be yummy.
I mean Whole Foods.
Thank you.
So, I love that joke.
They probably don't.
No,
they don't
I'm guessing
it's
Jeff
funny at all.
Bezos is really angry with me right now.
Probably. Like he knows who we are.
He's watching. He's watching.
Okay. All right. Let's make some pizza.
Yes. We're going to start by making our pesto alla calabrese. And to get that started, we're going to roast our peppers. So grab your olive oil, pour a healthy amount all over the peppers, and either brush that around the peppers or rub it in with your hand, and then get those into the oven. While the peppers are doing their thing, we're going to go ahead and get our pine nuts and slivered almonds toasted up. Get your pan nice and warm, throw those nuts in there and swirl them around and stir them up until they turn a nice golden brown. The roasted red peppers are about halfway done and the skins are looking nice and blistered and kind of that charcoal black. So we're going to go ahead and get these turned so that the other side can get done as well. The peppers look great and they are ready to rock and roll. We're going to get those out of the oven. And you want to get these into some sort of a container where you can seal them, because that's going to kind of steam them a little bit while they're still warm, and this will make removing the skins a lot easier. So we let the roasted red peppers sit in that covered bowl for a good 30 to 35 minutes, which again really is going to help peeling the skins. I like to wear gloves. You don't have to wear gloves if you don't want, but just kind of slowly and methodically get the skin peeled off as well as you can. A little bit left on it isn't going to hurt anybody. And then I like to pop the top and then just scrape some of the seeds out, and you should be good to go. So all of our ingredients are ready for the pesto, so we're going to start with getting our toasted nuts and garlic chopped up until they're kind of a really fine mince. Now that our nuts and garlic are nice and minced up, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. We're going to start with our roasted red pepper. Next will be our vegan parmesan and almond milk ricotta. Then our sun-dried tomatoes. Then that amazing Calabrian chili paste, and finally our salt, pepper, and nutritional yeast. Get the top on it and get that mixed up. The pesto looks and smells amazing. We're just going to pause for a quick minute to scrape down the sides, and then we're going to get ready to add the oil. Get your food processor going again, and then do a slow drizzle of your olive oil. Not too fast, because you really want it to incorporate in. Let that go for a little bit, and the finished result is stunning. I cannot wait to see how this tastes. Next, we're going to get our Beyond Meat hot Italian sausages ready to go. We like to do a quick little par cook on our indoor grill. You could also do this outside if you want to, but just get the pan nice and warm probably about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, just enough to get some char marks, and then pull them off the heat. And once they're cooked, we're just going to do a quick slice into about 1-inch medallions for the pizza. We are ready to make some pizza. We're going to get started by getting our dough formed onto a floured surface. As you can tell, Katie really likes popping those little air bubbles that form. So get that into the shape that you like, and then lay it out on a semolina covered pizza peel. We're going to start with some of that delicious pesto alla calabrese. Top that with some of the Viola Life mozzarella. And then finally, those beautiful Beyond Meat hot Italian sausages. The pizza is out of the oven and looks absolutely delicious. We're going to finish it off by adding a little bit of our Kite Hill almond ricotta. And then we're going to eat this. This looks absolutely scrumptious.
Looks crispy.
Are you being critical?
No,
Okay.
just a couple little things, but that's okay.
The edges might have gotten burnt, but that adds flavor. That's what we're going to run with. But
Nutrients, carbon.
Yes. But it smells.
Yes.
It smells so stinking good. Everything came together really well. I should probably just stop talking. Let's have a bite.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
I want this one
But it's gonna be like super messy.
Yeah, I can already tell.
So
The cheese is coming up.
But I'm not a quitter. Here we go. Oh.
If you can get a bite. Maybe that sausage is cut a little big.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Wow.
I've got pesto all over my hands.
Mm-hmm.
That is, wow.
It's more of a fork and knife pizza, I think.
Yeah.
It's good.
It is.
With a healthy dose of pesto.
Mm-hmm.
And the cheese is super gooey, and the ricotta is gooey.
The ricotta adds kind of a nice little softening to it. Mm-hmm.
Like to cool down the heat from the pesto.
Yeah,
not that the pesto's hot, but
No.
it's flavorful.
Yeah, you've got the
It's a good balance.
Yeah, between I think that this pesto paired with this sausage is perfect because it's kind of, this is Beyond Sausage's kind of spicy sausage. Mm-hmm. And pairing that with this Calabrian pesto, I think was a home run. And the cheese melted. I mean, it looks phenomenal. You would never know that this is plant-based, people. This is just,
It's really
it's
yummy.
so good. You don't have to miss out on having yummy pizza, right?
And you don't have to miss out on cheese, which is what most people worry about. Like, I can't give up cheese. It's like, you can. You'd be surprised.
Yeah, this is so
it's
good.
yummy.
Nicely done.
High five.
Knocked another one out of the park. Sorry.
Be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants.
Take care. See ya. It's really good. And Bailey's right where he needs to be.
Yep.